Be flexible. People have all these biases, all these prejudices. They want to buy high growth industries, they won't buy financial companies, they won't buy savings and loans, they won't buy companies that start with the letter R. I mean, there's all these rules. They all hurt you. There are great stocks everywhere. There are stocks that are near bankruptcy, stocks in bankruptcies, stocks about to go in bankruptcy. There are companies on the new high list that are attractive. There's companies on the new low list. They're all over the place. They're in growth industries, non-growth industries. Don't cut yourself off to one segment. People have way too many prejudices, too many biases. Another thing about it is math, and the kind of math you need to do this. I don't use a computer. I don't have a computer. I really was doing great math. I remember 7 times 7 was 41, and 9 times 9 is 81, and 12 times 12, I think it was 144. So it was some big number. Anyway, I got that one down cold. And I said, this is great. I love this stuff. And the barge left St. Louis going at 8 miles an hour, and the train left Pittsburgh. And, this stuff is easy. I remember one day, I think it was 9th grade, it was a grim day. Somebody introduced cosine. God, that day, remember cosine? Does anybody use cosine the last couple of years? Let's have a show of hands. How many of you have used cosine the last 6 months? But I remember tangent and cotangent. Why would you want to know about tangent? And then remember the area under the curve. Remember that crazy calculus area under the curve? What the hell would you want to measure area under curve for? That is such garbage. You don't need this for the stock market. If you can add 8 and 8 and get fairly close to 16, that's all you need. You say 400 million in debt, no equity, no cash, losing money, forget it. They get 300 million in cash, no debt, 200 million in net worth. They're losing 10 million a quarter, but they'll be around. That's all you need. That's all you need. That is not that hard. If you made it through 5th grade math, you can handle this stuff.